down to 1 bar now. So now all I gotta do is go through all these letters, peel all the tape off of them, and then get them. I'll get them hung up. I don't really have to get all the tape off of them. They're just going to be for stencils anyways. It'll kind of help. I'll need to kind of sand over them a little bit. Before I hang them. And these are all 2-inch letters. But I won't bore you guys with all this peeling the tape off. I'll once I get them all done and sanded down and stuff and get them hung, I'll show them to you when I got them hung up. So I'll let you guys go, and hope you have a great day, and just be kind to each other. And if you like these videos, just give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and leave comments. I love the comments too. I'll read all of them, and if I'm able to, I'll reply to all of them. But as for now, I'll let you all go, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.